So hello guys, this is the part 2 and now we are going to solve some exercises. Write all the numbers 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. 1 is like this, 2 is like this, 3 is like this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this one is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and this one 20. So I have solved. You can make you can do screenshot and save how to write, or you can learn. Second question. Write the following number using international numerals. International is basic, like this one, 2, this one, 3, 4. This one is called international numerals. So first there is V. V is equal to 5. Second one is VII is equal to 7. X is equal to 10. X I is equal to 13. X I V is equal to 14. X V I is equal to 60. Now see, here has came here 14 and 16. So see here, I am going to write 14 and here 16. See what is the difference? Sometimes we confuse. This is 4 and this is x. We add before the v, we write 1. It becomes 4. And after v, we write 1, it becomes 6. Because v is 5. 4, 5, 6. And here is x, b, I is equal to 18. See, x, b, I 8. And this 10 add 18. Ix is equal to 9. X minus 1. I have taught you in first video. Fill in the empty boxes. 3. Now how we write 3? And this one is VIII 8. And here they have given 6. Then how to write 6? C. Is this a right way? Tell me in the comment. XII means 12, 15. XV 15. And this one 19. Solved. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. And how we write 9? This is 9. And how we write 4? This one is 4. How we write 2? This is 2. And how we write 17? X V I. And how we write 11? 11 we write XI. We write 18 XVII. Now we have to complete the table. Means we have to tick or cross. This one is correct? No, that one is 4 times. It is allowed only in 3 times. This one is 4 times. This is wrong. This one is correct. Because after V, which comes 6. This one is correct. And 8. It is wrong. Because XI is not X. Means 8. This one is wrong. X comes like this. Means 8 comes like this. VII. This one is 8. So this one wrong. 16. X 10. V 5. We am adding them. And 1. 1. Then is equal to 16. This one is correct. 15 we write XV. You have screenshotted. You have done now. Since this one is wrong, this is the correct way to write 15. And now remember this number. 1 is 1 like this. V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. See, I am giving a shortcut. In cricket, players do century na, and C and century C. Century means 100. So C 100. This is easy na. And D 500. And M 1000. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new.